If you need to download files from OneDrive, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to download a file or even an entire folder from Microsoft OneDrive, step by step. This is perfect if you want to save important documents, photos, videos, or shared files directly to your computer. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to Microsoft OneDrive. You can sign in from the main OneDrive website if you're not already logged in. Once the page loads, sign in with your Microsoft account. Use the account that has access to the files you want to download. After you're signed in, you'll see your OneDrive dashboard. From here, go to My Files or open the folder where your file is stored. If you have a lot of files, you can use the folder view to narrow things down faster. Next, find the file or folder you want to download. You can click once to select a single file or hold down and select multiple files if you want to download more than one at the same time. If you're downloading a folder, make sure the whole folder is selected before you continue. Once your file or folder is selected, look at the top of the page and click Download. OneDrive will begin preparing the file for download. If you selected a folder or multiple items, OneDrive may compress them into a zip file before saving them to your device. Depending on your browser, you may be asked where you want to save the file. If that happens, just choose the folder you want, like Downloads or Desktop, and confirm the save. After that, wait for the download to finish. Larger files may take a little longer, so give it a moment to complete fully. Once it's done, you can open your Downloads folder and find the file saved on your computer. If you downloaded a zip file, you may need to extract it before using the contents inside. And that's it! Your OneDrive file or folder is now downloaded and saved locally on your device. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.